challenge you. You are giving this service to the Filipino people.
Yes!
I-report nyo na ang mga Pilipino community, hindi lamang dito sa the Netherlands at sa buong mundo, suportado namin si President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi kami bayad. Hindi kami bayad. Hindi kami bayad. Hindi kami bayad. We welcome you in our activity. Do not cherry pick. Report what the Filipino needs to know. The cry of the Filipino, the support and the love of the Filipino people to Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Di kami bangang.
Okay pa ba ang lahat?
Yes!
People have risked their jobs to come here, such is the love for former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. My message is going to be really short, and I'm just going to say this, that, you know, during the time of the Duterte administration, I was one of the unofficial bloggers, i.e. I was getting sent information from the Presidential Communications Operation Office. I was posting information about the President on a daily basis for 6 years. That was 6 years of my life, where I was dedicated because I believe the Philippines was better under President Duterte. Reduced crime, reduced corruption, and my own family felt safe, I felt safe. It was an amazing time. I'm not here to talk about the current government. I'm a foreigner. Please understand that I cannot criticize the government because I'm not a Filipino. All I can say is I have a great deal of love and respect for President Duterte. I got to meet him in the presidential palace back in 2017 at the first Bloggers Christmas party. He spoke to me 3 or 4 times that evening. He shook my hand. He wished my family a Merry Christmas. He was a humble guy and I felt that connection with him. So when I saw that he was bundled onto a plane and arrested, I was absolutely devastated. You know, people have told me not to comment. My own family said don't get involved because it's going to cause you a problem. I've had death threats, I've lost friends, everything. But I will not keep silent. The issue is this, the ICC, basically, they shouldn't have gone about doing this. They flew him 21-hour journey, an elderly man of 80. They flew him 21 hours, thousands of miles, for a court appearance for 24 minutes. And now he's going to languish in jail till September. Why on earth did they not do the preliminary investigation first in the Philippines? In fact, President Duterte invited them to the Philippines. Instead, what they did is they brought an elderly man away from his family, you know, away from his lawyers, away from his legal team, with very little notice. I believe in due process, and I hope the ICC believe in due process too. And due process means he should go through the court system of the Philippines because it's a fully functioning judiciary, and I don't agree with how it's been done. Finally, I started a petition last week. We've got 65,000 signatures. I'm going to bring that to the ICC tomorrow, and I have letters from other people, other petitions. And I'd like to thank you all for your support. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay Pilipinas. And mabuhay President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and to his family as well. I'm thinking of you. God bless you all. God bless everyone here. Mabuhay.
Sa bawat laban, ikaw ang nauna. Tinig mo'y sigaw ng masa. Ngayong ikaw ay hinahatulan ng dayuhang walang alam. Sino pa ang nagmalasakit? Siya ngayon'y pinapahirap. Pilipinas ay lumuluha. Hustisya ang sigaw ng madla. Tatay, di ko hindi ka nag-iisa. Milyon-milyong puso ang kasama. Ang bayang minahal mo ng tapat.
sakripisyo, kapayapaan, kaunlaran para sa Pilipino. Ngunit ngayon'y dinadala sa dayuhan, parang wala nang saysay ang paglaban. Sino pa ang nagmalasakit? Siya ngayon'y pinapahirap, ngunit hindi ka namin bibitawan. Katarungan ng aming ipaglalaban. Tatay Digong, hindi ka nag-iisa. Milyon-milyong puso ang kasama. Ang bayang minahal mo ng tapat, hindi kailanman lilimot sa iyong hirap. Sa bawat dasal, pangalan mo'y kasama. Sa bawat sigaw, pangalan mo'y buhay pa. Hindi ka susukuan ng bayan, ipaglalaban ka ng sambayanan. Tatay Digong, hawak kamay nating ipakita ang pagmamahal ng bawat Pilipino sa'yo. Ang laban mo'y laban din namin, hanggang hustisya ay makamit natin. Hindi ka nag-iisa, Tatay Digong. Ang pagmamahal ng bayan ay di matutunaw, kahit anong unos, kahit anong pagsubok.
Pilipino!